Have you ever heard of the 1575 Valdivia Earthquake, one of the strongest seismic events in Chile's history? This powerful earthquake registered around a magnitude of 8.5, tearing through the region with relentless force. Triggered by the subduction of the Nazca Plate beneath the South American Plate, the quake unleashed landslides and tsunamis that devastated coastal communities. Entire villages were swept away, leaving survivors in a desperate struggle against the relentless surge of chaos. Among them was Felipe, a resilient local who led his community to higher ground, exemplifying the indomitable human spirit in the wake of disaster. This historical tragedy underscores the importance of preparedness, a transcendent lesson echoing through the annals of time.